Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video ay mag-i-steam tayo ng chicken. So meron tayong ingredients dito na ginger at spring onion. At syempre ang whole chicken. So i-dice lang natin yung spring onion. So, imimix natin ito mamaya doon sa grated ginger. So, madali lang gawin yung ingredients guys. So, i-stir fry lang mamaya yung grated ginger. Then, imimix natin itong spring onion. Then, lalagyan natin ng konting salt. That's it. So, ito na guys yung ginger i-grated natin. At ayan, tapos na nating grated. So, ayan guys. Ganito lang siya kasimpleng gawin. So, i-steam naman natin yung chicken ng 25 to 30 minutes. Depende sa laki ng chicken. So, ayan guys. So, bago i-steam, hugasang mabuti. At ayan guys, naluto na natin yung ingredients natin. So, ayan. Before serve, ikakat din natin guys. Ayan. Ganun lang kasimple guys. Steamed chicken. So, thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog.